Hi everyone, hope we're all doing great today, and I hope everybody is safe and sound. All right, let's get straight to the point. I want to teach us some of the skills that you can use to make money. You know, this is 2025, and if you haven't started trying your hands out in some different skills, that means you're wasting your time. This is something you really need to start on time before this year runs out again, just like it did 2024. So let's start with something very little. If you want to learn how to start making money online, there are so many skills out there, but I'm going to be teaching you how to do cartoon creations. Now listen everybody, remember, you don't need to do one thing to make money in your life. Like you always hear people say 6 figures, 8 figures, each and every one of us. We need at least something else, not just one figure of your income. We need more than one stream of income. You need so many streams of income. So I will teach you how to create cartoon. All these cartoon creations you see people are showcasing online on Facebook, on YouTube. You will learn how to create a cartoon for yourself. And one thing you need to do, for those you know you're among people with YouTube channel, your own page, and you are looking for subscribers, the fastest way that I have discovered that can fetch you nothing less than like 200, 300 subscribers immediately you start doing it is cartoon creation. Make sure you put an interesting story out there, although all stories are interesting. Even your own story is interesting. So when you put out a story in form of a cartoon animation, people are going to watch it, and instantly people will begin to subscribe on your page. So in case you are looking for ways to get a subscriber or get so many subscribers for your page, cartoon creation is one of them. So if you're interested, please indicate on our comment section. Let me know. Just write, I'm interested. When I see this, then I will know you're interested and I will get to you. And remember, this costs a little amount of money because you need to pay for you to get to know how to learn these cartoon creations, because I don't want to do it free, because when you do something free for people, they don't value it. But it's only when they pay, they actually pay attention and learn the skill properly, because you wouldn't want your money to waste. So let me know what you think, and remember to comment on the comment section. I'll be waiting for you. Get yourself ready. Get your life ready. This 2025, make that money right now. See you soon. Bye.